matang dan hang ne hakmat jong ka ying bishop hakaban kaleng ki kan hon ki Niam parok ki buran hasilong ne hapok ka satri jong ka Shalom All Faith Forum SAFF mentakas ni ka jinyalum ki kadai ban pha ya kata khubor sikinong song jong ka jerla ki buran ka jing Niam pa Pher namar kan ka kan hon ni la ban kadau ye phi ba ki don ki kan hon naka jing Niam Kristan wa Pher naka jing Muslim Hindu ki Sikh ke sangkasi ki Niam trebat ki wai pat mentakas ni naka liang presiden jong ka Shalom All Faith Forum Bishop purely lengdot nong pure haka jingkar buklap khubor upha ikan kerwo abasha sikinong song becerla ong bakumbolong menta ngiyoi bakidan kita ki dakisin ba namar latib ya kejerla kum kejerla ka bi ya ke songsuk songsngat dai menta kasni menta hagin ki ayom berki samoi menta i bakidan kita ki kijing persang pan preng ya kata kijing yapat kijing stengop Pher Niam kata kijing persang khamtam uang habire bat khapot jong meklaya ba asa ulai ka khubor wa to ngidon la ka jong kijing Niam na kata kadau ngidai banbat ya kata mensim jong kijing long separa ngimdai ban ailat ya kine kijing persang ban paria ya kijing Niam bat ya kita kijing long kawai ulai ka khubor ba ya kito ki sengsan perthai khamtam ki bat persang ban pendon kam de ki kentien ki ban penyapat ya prana mata kijing mentoi san hima jong ki hakaba Bishop purely lengdot nong pure long makum kan ka de ban sang eno bat ulah kan tujur ya ki nong song ka jerla baki dai ban long ki ba i ka jingsuk
marjan ka Jylla ka jongi ngi kendo unta ka sngi kum ga meeting jang ka Saff ka bomot ke Shalom All Faith Forum ka de ka kanhon hakaba ki Niam ki ba Pher ki ba don ha ka Jylla ka jongi ngi don lang ha ni ka forum ka ba ngi Khot ka Saff te ha ni meeting ngi ya kran ngi li ban pau ka Jingsngew diau ka jongi ya ka jinglong ka ni ke sain perthai ke bajia ha Assam ha Meghalaya ha India hi barok wai kari India ke jongi ke bad degari jongi judge benreu ki ba barok ke judge benreu ki don ki judge Niam ki barok ki dan ki don ha India ke India ke ba jo ri yaki ke ba jo kudup yaki ha ba ki he kisan ki Niam barok andre pagini ki singi ki por ngi iba kal jong ki jingala ki wan ela mi ki jing na ki jing kren na ki jing ikam ki bigile ki bom itanatio ki bom sosi ki bai pen ya pat apra ki breu but kene gala wan ra ye ka ei bom itanatio hagari India ka jongi ni sorong ki ri ban kenang kieu ha ki kam ki panroi ha ki development ki bo Pher an rei nak wei ka liang pada gini ki jinglong jing em ki jing dei ki jong ki para breu ki pen minus no ki pen here dot no ya kari India ka jongi ka North East India ka loi ka dei ka region ke jaka ka begini ki nyautli ki Jylla ke state ki jo em lang ha ki em suk em sain buat lagi de ki spa de hajar ki tribe ki communities ki judge ben reu Pher ki bedet ngi em lang ye long lang ha ga jing sok ha ga jing long ka wei te nei mata te ngam la manong bagala jan ke election ne kala one kala air wei ki benta jing ker India na andre election kala jan te namaru ke election kala jan ki mi gini ki kenhon ki mi gini ki bakren ndai sho bagi kren bure kila kren openly kila kren jam ye ke jing tumu jongi ke jing dawa ke jongi lingba ke Niam ke jinghet ke jongi kane gelong ke basosi ke bam judon ha ke Jylla ke jongi anrei mentang iba kila Sdang ban wan kum gini ki jing kren ki jing dawa pakum ta kane gelong ka jing dawa ka jing appeal ka jing karpat na kane ka kanhon ka jing ka Saff ka kanhon jong gru judge Niam ki ba Pher bakum ginong shuknong ha ka Jylla ka jing Meghalaya ni dei ban long ki ba jai ni dei ban long ki ba jinsur ki jing wat perkhat ngim dei ban long ki ba shongshit khlabet habang yos go ye ki kubor nang nin ngai ni de ban long husiar Namar manta ki bon ki khubor ki fake news. Khubor ki bom dai ki basisha. Ni yos ngau nang neng natai. Tingin dai ban long ki ba husiar ki ba pengor. Bat gini le sitam kat bangila kom bangin im lang. Hagi Jylla ke jongi. Bat ki jaj Niam ki Jingsngew ki ba lai ki ba Pher. In dai ban shim yi ke sen jam. Bangin pansa ya ke Jingsngew im sok ya ke Jingsngew so tho jungmot but ya ke Jingsngew long ka wei ke jongi kom ba Jylla kom ka state of jonga Markylliang. Kini de ke Jingsngew part naga Saff chapi Burom ko bless you one. We faith leaders need to stand up and speak out and call upon our people to be aware, to be alert of the situation. Saff, as you all know, was formed in 2020, not only for normal times where we meet together for certain matters. Saff has come in use, especially in times like this, when we need the community to understand, to be aware, to be alert of the situations that we are in. India is a great country, a land of all major religions, a land where people used to live together, grow together, tolerate one another, accept one another. India today is proud of its development. Just a few days back, we hear in the news that the growth GDP of India is 8.4, which is one of the best in India. The whole world is talking about India. But on the other hand, it's unfortunate that this wind of hatred, of divisions, of intolerance, of suppression and oppression is blowing all over the country. Northeast India used to be a peaceful region so far, in spite of the fact that hundreds of different tribes, different communities, different languages and customs and practices exist in Northeast India. But of late, we all know what is happening in Manipur and what is happening in Assam now. And sadly and very alarmingly, we see the signs that even Markylliang is being touched now in the borders area. So as Saff, members of different faiths are in Saff. We have the Hindus, we have Muslims, we have the Sikhs, we have the Buddhists, we have Senraj, we have Senkasi, almost all the faith communities in Shillong, in Markylliang, are in Saff. So as a forum, this is what we want to convey to all our people in the state of Markylliang, and even to Assam. If it is possible for all of us, different faith communities, to come together as Saff. Saff is a testimony. Saff is an example of how we can come together with understanding, with love, with tolerance. We are together. We speak with one voice. It should be possible even in other states and other places. So this is our message to our people in the state and to our neighboring states as well. Elections are coming, and there are fringe elements who would like to take advantage of the situation, and they want to provoke different communities. We want to appeal, certain appeals we want to make to our state as well as to other states. Number one, we appeal to the government of Markylliang and to the government of Assam. They should continue to talk find out the truth, and not just talk, take steps. Take steps to prevent any untoward incident. We appeal to political parties because these are all connected to politics, to the elections coming. We appeal to all political parties. Kindly be mindful of what you speak and how you speak and what you do. Not to create divisions and hatred among the people. And we appeal to all citizens of Meghalaya and Assam to be alert, to be mindful, to be careful of these elements that try to bring about, to create disturbances, misunderstandings, divisions among people for political mileage. These can be connected to politics. So to our own people in Meghalaya, we appeal that be careful of what you hear, of the news, of the messages you receive from here and there, because many may be false, may be fake news. So we should not succumb to these kinds of news. We want peace, we want harmony in times of normal times and in times of distress. And even as elections are coming, everyone is excited. We should try our best to maintain peace and harmony among all people, so that all may be well. This has been the tradition, the name of Meghalaya as a state of peace and harmony, and we should all try. We call upon all residents, citizens of our state Meghalaya, especially in the border areas, to be calm, cool, maintain peace and harmony with one and all. Thank you.